Hello guys, Spartan Beard here, and for today I had a planned video about these headphones over here, and the first part of the video got deleted accidentally. I don't know how. I didn't do it, and thankfully I was able to save the unboxing part itself. So nonetheless, let's get to it. And one more thing before we start the video. If you guys want to see my janky studio setup and a mess I'm surrounded by, just stick up and you're gonna see at the end of the video. Also, one more thing. For the next week, I'm gonna do the unboxing on this very microphone, which I picked up from my studio. If you guys interested, it's gonna be next week around the same time, same day, and I'm not making any promises. I guess I just made a promise. So see you guys next week, but now, let's proceed to the video. And there's one more thing I really like about these headphones, that they have an open ear cup design that is like, you can hear like a true sound, you know what I mean? Sometimes there's a, I'll play like horror games and it's like a little clicking or something like that, makes you second guess, like you're taking them off like, am I alone in the room, you know what I mean? Because when I usually play those type of games, I love to bring like a mood to right for that situation, like turn off the lights and stuff like that. But when I record, I got this huge light over here that illuminates the whole room, but you still kind of, you know how it is with the horror games. You gotta love it. Back to the topic. Over here, we got some advertisement over here that you can see over here. Says like you can tell where the noise is coming from, like footsteps, the grenade that landed on the ground next to you, how it connects, the microphone, USB 7.1 sound. And over here we got some technical specifications, and it says we got a 40mm drivers. Yeah, it comes with two, so we got 40 for this and 40 for that. Pretty nice, isn't it? Other than that, it works in a frequency zone of 20 Hertz to 20 kilohertz, which is standard range, I guess, for a headphone of this caliber. And 32 of impedance. I don't even know what that is, but I know what decibel is. So it gets a full 112 decibels of loudness. 30 MW, so it's an output power. I don't know what that is either. Gold plated USB plug, 2-meter cable, which is in US it's a 6.56 feet. Braided cable, really nice. They are 340 grams or 0.75 pounds, which are nice. The way they clamp straight out of the box, if you use them for like the first 2 or 3 years, I would say they are really nice and snug, but you don't really actually feel the heft on your head, which made actually super easy me to get familiar with them, and be easy to put them on and kind of like set it to like a position you really like, and just leave it like that. Because I had some headphones before like during I was using these, and they clamp in or too strong or not enough, you know what I mean? They kind of move around on your ears when you're moving your head, or walking, talking, or whatever, you know what I mean? Or you do like weird things. I do weird things. And over here we got some information about the microphone. They're decent microphone. It's not the best in a game, not even close, but they're good enough, you know what I mean, for your daily tasks and so on and so forth. But yeah, I'm thinking I'm talking too much, and wow, this is magnetic, just like 5 years ago. Still using magnets. I love magnets. Little nice presentation over here. Oh man, this box is really scratched up. Wow. The same packaging from 5 years ago, but I cannot add or make less. They packaging is like so superior, you know what I mean? It's so simple, so clean. Now let's pull those tabs over here. Come on, release. These are really nice. You can use them for like a you know, timed cables or whatever, you know what I mean? They're nice and versatile. You can use them anywhere. You don't have to throw them away. In fact, I got these headphones only for this. I love those things. They really hurt when you go like this. You can hurt somebody. You can hurt somebody. Alright, so now we have our headphones over here. This little shelf comes out. Welcome to the cult of Razer. Feeling welcome. Yes, see, it's really nice because they include 2 stickers. I mean, I never use them, but it's nice to have them because I was unpackaging actually a Razer Blade Stealth last week, and I had only 1 sticker, and I really actually like this green and black stickers because those chromey ones are, I don't know, I'm not into the chrome. Over here, what we got? Some warranty, I'm guessing. I don't even need to read it because it's so simple. It's headphones. Got some information about the headphone, how to plug them in, how to do the troubleshooting, which nobody needs. Let's put these items away over here. And here are our headphones. Oh man, it smells really good. You can tell they are in a much better shape than my old ones. You can fold them up nicely, you can fit them in places. Unless like these, actually these are more versatile, I would say. You can bend them however you want. You can just make you know, much smaller headphones out of these. And never kid about them. Okay, let's get rid of them because they're making a mess on my table over here. Alright, let's get serious over here. So straight out of the box you get these headphones. They look nice, you know what I mean? You got some glowing accents over here on the ear cups. You got the microphone that's you know, retractable like this, which I really like. I mean, if you don't using it, if you're not using it, you can just push it back and bam, it's out of your way, you know what I mean? You pull it out and it's off, you push the button and then little light over here lights up and you're good to go, you know what I mean? Other than that, they're flexible. Unless like the other companies, you know, they can only like adjust like how high and low it is. But this one you can just really spin the way you really want it, like to your desired needs. You know what I mean? And they're super comfortable. I really love the materials they use in this build. You know, the plastic makes it cheap, but they're using quality foam over here, which you can actually tell is nice and squishy over here. If you guys had like experience with this kind of headphones, you guys know what I'm talking about. So they're not slacking on that. They got some padding over here as well. Also, they got this cloth liner over here, which you know, kind of brings air to your head, because you know, you overheat a little bit when you play for too much. Well, I'm glad this is not the leather over here, but they got some leather over here, you know what I mean? It's like a fake leather, obviously. You guys saw it cracking on the other one. So it will in the future. So other than that, they're sturdy, they're nice. And you got some nice satisfying clicks along the way. You can actually memorize which setting you are using on. Let's say you are like sharing them with somebody, or somebody actually picks up and puts them on them ear and that just, you know, does this thing. You can nicely actually put it like if you're using like third, let's say, you can put on third over here and third over here. It fits you, it fits you. You know what I mean? You kind of remember that. And if somebody comes and messes it up, you know what I mean, they have a big head or a small head, you know what I mean, or they're using it like this and they'll never care. I would, but I saw people doing it. They're dangerous people, so watch out for them. Other than that, you have like a left over here and a right over here, which you didn't figure out from the get-go, because you know, you put in the headphones like this. The Razer logo on top, the microphone obviously pointing forward. If you would have put them like this, obviously you're missing out the left and right. Cable's real nice. It's pretty long. You can get to places. You can connect to a computer, and it's a USB connection. Gold-plated. Oh my God, gold-plated. I love gold-plated stuff when it comes to technology. Other than that, this is the deal. There's the headphones. I really like them. Put them on for the first time. Oh man. Hello guys, Spartan Beard here, and today I got a video about headphones. Yeah, and one more thing, if you're doing some kind of like a YouTube videos or voiceovers, these are really nice because they have like an open ear cup design, and you can kind of hear yourself if you don't hear yourself throughout the like a recording software that you use possibly. It's real nice to be able to hear yourself, because some headphones have like a noise cancelling, or they like a closed back design, and when you're hearing yourself talking, it's like kind of muffled. You might actually talk too loud, not too loud, and with this you kind of get like you hear yourself talking, which is really nice, you know what I mean? And also, like when somebody like walks into the room, you can actually hear that somebody walked into the room, you know what I mean? I don't know what I'm talking about, but yeah, great headphones to my collection. Alright, I brought my laptop over here. Let's test the lights on this. Plug them in. Lights, nice. They automatically get detected and you can use them right away. But I would suggest downloading and installing Synapse, the software for this, and you can really fine-tune these with the software, because they have like an equalizer, bass boost, you can mess with the microphone loudness or anything. Basically anything you can think of, the software actually supports. It's not a best software in the world, but it does the trick. And honestly, they are updating it like probably once a week. Every time I open turn on my computer, I get a message like update the Synapse. So they really trying to improve the software. But yeah, I mean, you can tell it's a nice illuminated accents on this. I really dig it, and it goes well with my setup. That's all I need over here. Some RAZER, just like this. RAZER forever. Yeah. These guys, they gotta sponsor me, I guess, one day. But yeah, that's it for today. If you guys like the video, you know what to do. If you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, please subscribe and become a subscriber today. Yeah, that's how it works. Other than that, this was me, Spartan Beard, and I see you guys on the other side.